Act like you know how this goes. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes. Like you know how this goes.